Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'll show you how your customer can send you referrals and upload documents through the client tracking portal. Let's log into a client tracking portal. This is one of my clients' client tracking portal, and in the client tracking portal, they can easily send a referral and upload documents. Let's go through sending a referral. All they have to do is click send a referral from the top. And from here, they can easily manage sending referrals to you if they have some friends and family or any relatives who also wanted to enroll into the credit repair service. They could send them to you. In sending a referral, all they have to do is input the referral's name, phone number, email, their name, their email, and then a couple of notes and send it over. Once your client provided the information and click on send to send you the referral, you as the admin would be receiving an email notification letting you know about the new referral. You'll also be getting a notification when you log in. Let me show you. When you log in, at the very top in the notification icon for new referrals, you'll see a notification there. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the client who referred a new referral to you. You'll see the client's name or your client's name who sent your referral. All you have to do from here is click your client's name so that you could view the details. Now you would be routed to the lead screen. From here, click Client Portal Client Referral Leads and you'll be able to see the new pending referral sent by your client. You'll be able to see some notes if you click here to see what the notes coming from your client letting you know more about this referral that they sent you. You can also delete this referral. You can edit the referral's information at any time too by clicking on the pencil icon, and you'll be able to make changes and update it from here. And from here, you can already move this specific referral in the customer screen so that you could start working on them. Now let me show you how your clients can send you documents using the client tracking portal. To send documents, your client can simply click on document screen once they are logged in the client tracking portal. From here, they can opt in to choose which type of document are they uploading or sending to you. Is it a social security ID, an ID, a proof of address, or any general other documents that's supporting any of the explanation they provided to you for the dispute process, or maybe updates that they have gathered from the credit bureaus as soon as you started doing the credit repair service. So let's choose a general type of document. And they have to take note that the maximum file that they can upload is 8 MB. Supported document formats is a .doc file, .docx, .jpg, .jpeg, .png, and .pdf. As soon as they're done providing you the information with notes and uploading the document, they could click on send and send the document directly to you. Now, as soon as they send the document to you, you would be receiving a notification as the admin via email letting you know that a new document has been sent out. You'll also be able to see it in the software once you log in. Now them, as the client, they'll be able to keep track of all the documents they have uploaded so far through the grid. They'll be able to download a copy, preview it from here, and delete any documents. They can also print any of the documents coming from the client tracking portal. They'll be able to view the proof of identification that they sent out directly from this on the initial grid, where they could download, delete, and preview them as well. This goes for the social security card, ID, and a proof of address. Now let me show you the notification you would be receiving from the software. Once you are logged in, at the top you'll have the pending documents notification. You can simply click on it to view the pending document. You'll see your client's information who sent you some pending documents. Click on pending documents icon and you'll be able to view the document itself. You'll see the description or the notes that your client added in. You can download the document, preview and print the document, send the document to your client via email, and delete the document at any time. You can also click on the checkbox once you're done reviewing this document and mark it as reviewed so that you could remove the notification right there at the top. Once you have completely changed the status, as you can see, the notification is no longer there. You can still preview all of those reviewed documents under the reviewed section, You can also filter it for all to review all of the documents. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how your clients can send you referrals and upload documents with the use of the client tracking portal.